Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete permanently or deactivate your Instagram account. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Then guys, I want you to click on the lower right corner where you see your profile picture. Then I want you to click on the three straight lines on the top right corner. Then I want you to click on settings and privacy, the first option. When you're at settings and privacy, I want you to click on account center. When you're at account center, I want you to scroll down and click on personal details. When you're at personal details, there is an option that is called account ownership and control. I want you to click on it. When you're at account ownership and control, you have the option to simply deactivate or delete your Instagram account. When you click on this option, you will be forward to a new page that is just designed by Meta, and it will show all of your Facebook accounts, including your Facebook profiles and Facebook pages, and all of your Instagram pages that are currently logged in through this account. If you have a multi-login function, Meta will show you all of your accounts within Meta platforms, okay? So essentially you can manually click on whatever account you like, whatever page, and simply delete or deactivate the page. Very important guys, deletion, meaning that when you click delete, after 30 days, your page or your account will be deleted. So you have up to 30 days to change your mind, go back, recover, log in, and keep using the platform. Otherwise, if you really want to delete it, you want to make sure that you download your data. The process of getting your data from Meta is not that simple. So you have to send a request about your data to Meta, and they will process your request 3 to 5 business days. They will send you a link. You have to click on the link, follow the link, and download your data. After that, you can delete your account. If you click delete your account and then want to get your data, well, you simply cannot do that. You cannot get your data after you click delete, because then you have to wait a bunch of time for them to process the information and to handle you the information. So if you're planning to delete your account, you want to make sure that you request your info and download your info in advance. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.